Hey YouTube, Coach Lou 10 here. Just finished up a 2008 Gridiron, the NFL Gridiron cars. They look like they have a little field on them. This is the most recent card I got. James Hardy. That was the last card in the set that I needed. They're all numbered to 40. So, pretty cool set. I just like the field. This year they got them numbered big time up to like 2 and 300. But this was one of the first years they did it, if not the first year they did it, and they're a lot shorter print. But that's Felix Jones, Donnie Avery, Mario Manningham, Ray Rice, Kevin Smith, Kevin O'Connell, Jamal Charles. I think that one's 1 of 40. Pretty cool. Jonathan Stewart, Eddie Royal, Darren McFadden, had a nice year this year. Harry Douglas. There's 34 cards in the set. Matt Forte, Early Doucette, Andre Caldwell, Brian Brom, Deshaun Jackson, Jake Long, Chad Henne, Rashard Mendenhall. That's actually different than his normal SIG. It's a little bit more than the old RM. We got a RM, a squiggle, and a 34. So that's cool. Devin Thomas, Limas Swede, Joe Flacco, John David Booty, Glenn Dorsey, one of the few autographs he signed. Yeah, there's the rocket scientist Jerome Simpson. Looks like he signed it about 3 times. He didn't understand between the B and the B. Steve Slayton, Dexter Jackson, Malcolm Kelly, Dustin Keller. He got a little crazy with his too. Earl Bennett, Jordy Nelson. I got the last 2 are in the cases, but Matt Ryan and the full autograph Chris Johnson is really one of the main reasons I decided to do this set. Was I saw that his card had the full auto, so I thought that was pretty cool. Alrighty YouTube, thanks. We'll see ya.